Good morning, Eastview. Good to see you guys, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the Zoom meeting. A couple quick things. Today's lesson, the eye color change. Again, it says don't submit yet. On Friday, you will turn that in as part of your Flipgrid screencast. Only one exit question today that'll be about the eye project. What else did I have for you guys today? Friendly reminder. Here's our class times for the meetings. They'll be posted just a few minutes before we actually do it, so probably about 5 or so minutes. And then all the procedures here. Obviously, it's just like a regular class. You guys did just fine. I'm not worried about it, but friendly reminder that here's the procedures we use. So today we are in lesson 1. It's the first official lesson. You'll notice two changes. We're using Pixlr.com. Today is Editor, which is just slightly different than X. It keeps all your same files in the same place. Editor gives us more options, and you get to do like more professional things. Today you're going to do lesson 1, the eye change, which it's just directions, so you're just following it step by step, but everything is here. Multiple middle schools. I'm doing this with a couple other teachers, and their students did this yesterday and did a great job, which means we're going to do an awesome job today. So those are the changes for today. I'll see you in the Zoom meeting, and have some fun. These are absolutely fun to do, guys. I hope you enjoy it.